Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrcteam. Today we're at the Pheasantland RC Park on the Basher course, and we're going to be unboxing a brand new truck from Traxxas. It's the Sledge 6S Power, 70 plus mile per hour. It's an 8-scale 4-wheel drive truck, and I'm really happy about it because this is the truck I want to put on this Basher course behind me here. I brought the charger with today and the batteries, so now let's take a closer look at this truck. Before I pull this truck out of the box, some of the things I wanted to point out to you guys: aluminum chassis, aluminum shock towers, VXL6S extreme power with 2000 kV motor, and again 70 plus mile per hour. The other side of the box has a picture of the Sledge in the black with the red and white stripes. And on this side of the box you can see your color choices. You can get it in green, blue, red, or orange. We got a white dot over the red one. That's what should be inside this box. And on this side of the box it'll tell you how to get to that 70 mile per hour, starting out at 35 mile per hour with a 4S lipo battery. You can run one battery in this truck, or you can run two. You can run two 3S lipo batteries. With a gear change will get you to 70 mile per hour. All right, let's get this truck out of the box. Nice. Got the book, and we got the truck. So yeah, I was just getting to the good part last night, guys, and guess what? I ran out of daylight, so I had to come back here in the daylight here to show you guys everything about this truck. I did run the truck. I couldn't help it. I couldn't resist it, and this thing runs awesome, and you will see that in this video, so let's keep going. One of the awesome features with this truck is the clipless body system. You reach underneath the rear fenders, lift up on the tabs, you slide the body forward, the body comes right off, and if you look underneath, you'll see the frame that's mounted to the body and the clips at the rear of the truck and the tab that slides into the bulkhead at the front of the truck, and it slides right back on as easy as it came off. And one of the first things you'll notice right away is the aluminum brace going from the front to the rear. You have a differential at the rear, differential at the front. It is a 4-wheel drive truck, and the cases are made of plastic. There's a differential in the center of the truck. You have the 2000 kV brushless motor, the ESC electronic speed controller, and your receiver. If you take a look at the two plugs, you'll notice they're different because one plug will use to plug in the 4S lipo battery, and you can plug the 3S lipos into either one of those connectors. I really like where they mounted the servo. It looks like it's really easy to remove and replace if you need to. Slide the battery tray hold down out, lift that up. We can install the two 3S lipo batteries. You're going to stand them up on end like that. And they fit nice down inside the tray. Slide the hold down strap over top, holds your batteries in place real nice and tight. So I had people ask me, will other batteries fit down inside this tray? That I don't know. That's something you guys ought to figure out for yourself. I use all Traxxas batteries in all my bashing trucks, and I do know that the 4S lipo battery will fit nice and snug down in there. There is a little foam piece that'll sit right in front of these batteries. You have to remove the foam piece if you're going to be using the 4S lipo battery. Some of the things you will notice right away: there is drive shafts running through the center of the truck. They are metal, and there's also metal drive shafts going to each tire. The steering links, they are non-adjustable. They're all one piece, and I'd have to say that's for strength. Another nice feature about this truck, the shock towers are aluminum on the front and rear. The shocks are made of aluminum. Looks like the adjusters are plastic, and it has some metal springs. The shocks are oil-filled and will give you plenty of suspension. The wing on the back of the truck feels really flexible, and it's already proven to take a beating. The A-arms, not sure if you can see that in the video right here, but there is screws going down through a plate, so it looks like there's reinforcement plates on each A-arm. And they have some plastic guards guarding the A-arm. That seems to work really well, keeping the mud out. And if you look really close here, you can see those plates that are screwed down fast on the A-arms, giving it plenty of reinforcement. So now you guys can see what this aluminum chassis looks like. It has rolled edges on the sides, has stampings in the front and the rear to give it support so it doesn't bend. And yeah, you can even see the scratches that I already put in the truck from driving it last night. Another feature that I really like on this truck, it has all hinge pins, no ball joints to wear out. With your truck, you will get the TQ Top Qualifier 2.4 gigahertz Traxxas transmitter. It has a steering wheel to turn the truck left to right. Underneath the steering wheel, you have a throttle trigger. Pulling that trigger toward the handle, move the truck forward. Pushing it forward will put the brake on. Pushing it forward again will move the truck in reverse. And on the left side of the steering wheel, you will find two adjustment knobs. One is the multi-function knob. You can adjust your TSM with that knob. That stands for Traxxas Stability Management System. And you can adjust that so your truck drives real nice and straight when you're under a heavy throttle. Next to that is the steering trim knob. You can adjust this to make sure your truck drives nice and straight with your hand off the steering wheel. On the bottom of the transmitter, you will see a battery door. Just slide that over like that. Install the 4 AA batteries. They do not come with the truck. Slide the door back into place. On the back of the transmitter, you have an on-off switch. Just slide that over like that, and you will see a green LED light up on the front of the transmitter. And on top of the transmitter, you have some binding buttons and some set buttons. And with your new truck, you will get an owner's manual. It will come with a lug wrench, some Allen wrenches, and a binding plug. And the nice thing about Traxxas, they make the truck, they make the charger, they make the battery, so you can get everything in one place. Here we have the Traxxas 3 times faster, easy peak live dual charger with a max output of 26 amps. That means a lot, because that means when your batteries die, you can charge them back up again and get back out there on the track. This is what the charger looks like, guys. You can charge 2 batteries at one time. You plug your batteries in the bottom here, hit the start button. You'll see the lights go up till they hit the green right here. That means they're fully charged, and you can charge in storage mode, fast mode, or balance mode. If you decide to use one 4S LiPo battery instead, here's the Traxxas 6700 milliamp hour 4S 14.8 volt 25C LiPo battery. Okay, we got our batteries in the truck. We got our transmitter turned on. All we got to do is hit the start button right on top of the ESC here, put our body back on, ready to hit the track. And we're at the Pheasant Land RC Park. We're getting ready to run this truck, and my driver tonight is Chris. Chris, what do you think of this truck? We ran it last night.
Oh, this thing is awesome.
You ready to hit the track?
Oh, I'm ready to hit the track.
Let's do it, man. My driver's just getting used to the truck. So what I really noticed about this truck is the power that it has. We're going to see how much power it has going up this hill. Go ahead, let it rip. Wow, I had no trouble getting up the hill either. Try it again. No problem climbing up the hill. Try once more. Here we go, another try. Right up, no problem at all. Okay, he's gonna take a couple speed runs here. Go ahead, let her rip. That's stock gearing, 6S. Yeah, she's pretty quick. Looks like it'll lift the front end right away, won't it? No wheelie bar on that machine. That's something I think they could have added, but hey, you gotta have fun with it. You punch that throttle, she'll wheelie right up. And you punch it off the start, it'll do a backflip. We just seen that. Oh, watch out for the root. Got no problem at all getting through this thick mud. Okay guys, this is what our truck looks like after heavy bashing here at the Pheasant Land RC Park. And we only had a few things happen to the truck while we were running it. This plastic piece popped off the bolt, no big deal. Pull the bolt out, run it back in there again. The wing's not broken, it's fine. The rear axle on the left-hand side, that popped out. And we were like, oh no, what happened? The left side stopped driving. Here, a bolt right on the one bulkhead came loose, and because that came loose, it gave it enough room for this axle to pop out. So really, after heavy bashing, wow, that's really nothing. I mean, we put the truck back together and we're off and going again, and we probably went for at least another 15 minutes after that, and she's ready to go again. Guys, it's a good truck, Traxxas Sledge. Yeah, go get yourself one. You won't be disappointed. So guys, yes, an amazing truck. It's starting to get dark here at the RC park, so we're gonna be heading on out. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. You can also join my Facebook group, that's the Ovalrcteam, and follow me on TikTok. I'm Mark. We'll see you next time.